church here last year. Sweet.
Fried clams and pad thai. Wow. Be good to watch this. Swadikap. Okay, boys.
YouTube. Fancy something like that. That chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Get one of them.
You have it. I can't have it, unfortunately. But you can tell me what it tastes like, can't you? Yeah. You taste it. Tell my subscribers what it tastes like.
I'll play.
Yeah. Let's do that. Chicken wings. Oh, Paul's feeling peckish. Got fish here. There's the chicken. Guys, somebody's grilling some crocodile here. I'll show you. Wow. Check that out then. Crocodile grill. These guys can eat meat. And it's a real one, it's not plastic. Wow. Guys, as you know, I can't eat these, but I'm showing you anyway. That's their prices. Basically, I'll have to turn it off because there's music behind. So guys, here goes. They're my 5 king prawns. And this chap here is going to make them, and he's going to put this spicy sauce. This spicy sauce is supposed to be really, really hot. Guys, I've got these shrimps, that's my sauce. And I've got some cheesy fries there as well. So, Paul's loving his cheesy fries. Here you go. Must be spicy then, but it is chillified. Let's dip a French fry in it. Ooh. Steam coming out of me is red hot. So now we've decided to have a couple of these, one each. So we're gonna have some coconut juice. Coconut. I'll get it. Hold on.
I've got yours, well, you got me money, huh?
Haven't even paid for one.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll get one. This tastes so sweet, pure natural coconut juice. Thank you. You like?
Lovely.
Lovely. Lovely lady. ขอบคุณครับ
You'll be on YouTube.
ขอบคุณค่ะไทย
ขอบ
แล
คุ
น
ณ
ด์
ครับ
YouTube. Be YouTube.
Welcome to Thailand.
เวลคัมทูไทยแลนด์
Welcome to Beach Road.
Welcome to
Market.
Thailand.
ไม่ต้องเดินมาใกล้เดินอ้อมหมุนไป
Go the shop.
เดินอ้อมไปเดินช็อปสมูทตี้เพื่อสุขภาพ
Smoothie. Smoothie food.
Welcome to Thailand Welcome to Thailand พัทยา
Can we see Thailand together?
Welcome to Pattaya. Thank you.
ภาษาอังกฤษ